Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add horizontal rolling credits in Davinci Resolve. So to do this, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to the top corner of your screen and go to Effects. From there, go to the search box and search Scroll. So under the titles, you have Scroll. Drag that and place that wherever you want in the end of your clip, perhaps since for the rolling credit. So it's going to look like something like this. So now, go to Inspector and Video and go to the title. So now we'll enter the details of our credits. So let's place him, me, them, and I, and maybe them. So there you go. Now configure your settings. If you want in the middle, you can do its position, font, regular, if you want it bold, anchor, color, and many much more. So there you go. Let's try it out and let's see if it works. So as you can see here, it's gonna do it simultaneously. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.